Start ako, boom, and tututok niya sa head ko yung gun. Okay? So, eto ba gusto mo or dito sa, sa head? So, if ang hand ko is nasa steering wheel na, okay. Problem is yung hand ko nasa steering wheel na. Ang first movement ko is yung this side ko ng pinky punching yung barrel. Okay. To move yung gun away from me. And ang head ko is moving forward, the body defense, so hand and body. And as I punch, I grab etong hammer side ng index finger ko and my middle finger. Elbow ko is high to give me leverage. Pag pinul niya yan, okay, akin na yung gun. Nakahook na yung fingers ko. Okay? And strong counter-attack punch. Grab yung wrist. If confronted ng gun, you have to do a gun disarming. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Knife, wala. You push the knife, you push the guy with the knife, okay lang. Knife is good if it's close. So, as I trap yung wrist, I go under. Siyempre, yung muscle always pointing away from you. From here, punch him strong sa face, open the car, push him away sa back seat nyo, or dito sa seat na katabi nyo, and you go away. Okay?